SpurPro DEX is live. So by implication, you can swap tokens into USDT and vice versa. To some parts, this is a very good news. So welcome everyone to Digitex. If this is your first time of coming across the channel, do well to like, subscribe, and more importantly, drop your thoughts in the comment section of this video. So a large community of SpurPro are actually expecting the launching of the DEX of Spur, and the DEX have been launched, which is one good news. But what everyone is actually expecting is that when are we going to be able to exchange our SpurPro point to USDT or Sun blockchain token? So now, first of all, the DEX is live. So you can actually use the DEX to actually connect to your OKX or any central wallet. You actually decentralized wallet, you're actually using the OKX Phantom wallet or any wallet of your choice, Trust wallet. So that's number one. Then number two, you can use this DEX exchange to swap between tokens. Maybe you want to change from USDT to Ethereum to Bitcoin to Solana or any token of your choice. So this DEX exchange will serve as a kind of a gateway to swap between tokens. So it's just like an intermediary to swap between tokens. You get the point. So now to your greatest question now, when are we going to get our airdrop? So for now, the Sun blockchain for SpurPro is not yet launched. It will be launched next year. So for you to be able to actually swap that, which is the launching of the main blockchain, is not now. You will not be able to do that now. So Sun blockchain is actually creating a kind of a utility for their token. So by implication, by the time they now launch their Sun token, the Sun blockchain will now have a kind of a utility base for their token. So like if you are swapping now under Sun blockchain, you will be able to pay with the gas bill of Sun. So it has a kind of a utility for the token. But for now, we are not getting any airdrop. So now the Sun blockchain will be launched next year, if I could still remember correctly, the first quarter or second quarter of next year. So we'll still continue to farm Sun blockchain for now. So now a lot of people are asking, is the swapping between token a criteria for airdrop? So and you see the response of SpurPro. So with the way things are getting now, there's every possibility that swapping between token will be part of the criteria. Are you getting my point? It's a possibility with the way things are going now. So in order for us not to be disappointed, if you still have faith in SpurPro, you have to use their DEX session to swap between token. Are you with me? So if you want to actually do that, you can copy the link here or check the comment section of this video. Then you go to your OKX wallet, go to explore, put in the this link. Then if you want to swap between tokens, you actually do the swapping. And as a matter of fact, your funds are not staying on SpurPro DEX exchange. So you have to get this correctly, and let's just hope for the best. Get the point. So drop your thoughts in the comment section. This video, do you think SpurPro should still have a trust? All in the comment section for this video. And remember to follow us on X, join our Telegram channel for daily updates, and make sure you follow us on our social media platform. Welcome to Digitex.